Hey everyone! Today I would like to show you how to debug navigation issues with replay. So let's take a look. I have a very simple application here which just has a single start button. When I click on it, I'm taken to the page that says this is the page D. When I look at my back button, I can actually see that my page did multiple navigation steps. This is because my application actually does multiple redirects when I click on the start button. Even though we don't see them happen, the application performs them. And in this example, we are using different paths, but changes to navigation could include protocol change, query parameters, and much more. I have created a replay of this interaction. In the viewer, I can see how I interact with my app. I just click on the start button, and then I get redirected to page D. So how do I validate what happened in my app? I can jump into the DevTools and take a deep dive into my code. The easiest way to find out about location is by searching in the source code. Most of the times when we are dealing with location, a window location is called. In the results we can see we have some reload functions, but these are probably not it. I need to dig a little bit deeper. By default, the search excludes searching in node modules. But if I enable it, I will find many more instances. So how do I find out which one is it? Well, a good indicator is going through these results and taking a look at the hit count. This indicates that this line of code has been called. If there's no number in the gutter, the line hasn't been called during our recording. In this history TS file that comes from our Remix router, we can find the window location API. And as the hit count suggests, it has been called 7 times. I will click on this plus symbol to add a console log and take a look at window location. And since I'm interested in the path name, I'll do window location path name. When I confirm this, I can see a couple of path names appear in the console. Depending on what I'm searching for, I can take a look into some other lines and examine different parts of this file. For example, like this create URL function can be a good indicator into what's happening with our navigation. I'm going to add another print statement, give it a different color, and take a look at this href variable. Let's just print it out, confirm my console log, and now I can see all of the changes that were made during my recording. And this is the first step of how you can start debugging your navigation issues. Hope this helps. Happy debugging!